Hi guys, in the previous video we have reached at this spot. We have created this post and now we have to give the style to this article that contain a single post. Here you can see that this is inside the article, and now I'm gonna give the style to the article to insert the bottom and the margin and the padding. Here you can see that there is a border and here is the margin and the padding. So let's give the style to the article. Write article, and here is display is inline block, and here is the border on the bottom side. HDDD, and then here is the padding on the bottom side, 30 pixel, and here is the margin on the bottom side is 30 pixel. And now here is it, the margin on the bottom side, padding is inside. So now the next thing is we have to give the style to this image. We have to float it to the left, so the text is automatically float to the left. Text is wrapped around it. Here is we have to write article, the image that is in the article image, and here is first of all display it as inline block, and then here is a float to the left, so the text is also float to the left. This is my C cleaner, and here is the margin right, so a distance is created between the image and the text. Here it is, this is the margin right, that space between the text. And after this we have to give the border around the image. Here is 1 pixel solid, just light gray border. It is not visible but it is existing literally. Here is this. So now like this we have to create the second post, then third, and then fourth,